What's up, YouTube? That's better. What's up, YouTube? This is Dean Charles Anthony II, your favorite seasonal photographer, back again with another unboxing. Now, I know I ain't been here in a minute. It is what it is. Y'all know. I pop in, I pop out. But it's YouTube, and I enjoy your company. So when I pop in, no, it's all love. We got an unboxing. This is about to be a fast unboxing because I'm actually about to leave, and I want to take this with me when I leave. So y'all gonna have to bear with me for the fastest unboxing. I hope I don't talk too fast, but you know, once again, it is what it is. But we're gonna get this video out. So here you go. You may be wondering what I have, because you know, Dean comes with goodies. But this is what I'm assuming is going to be my new primary camera. Now, if you read probably very likely if you read the description of this video, probably why you're here, you already know what this is. So, I have officially went completely mirrorless. And Canon, what's taking so long with this R1? That's just being real. What is taking so long with this R1? So, until that gets here, well, probably, we'll see what happens. We're going with the R3. Yes, I got the R3. So the R5 right here has been my primary camera for a while. I do keep the RP. I'm currently shooting on the R6, the Mark 1. But I'm going to be replacing my R6. Honestly, I got the R6. And it was around the time that the R6 Mark II came out. Using the R5, I don't really care for the R6. It's a good camera, but R5 is a better camera. So hoping that the R3 gives me back what I like, what came with the 1DX Mark III. It's gonna be something similar, so that's the reason why I got. And I said this video is gonna be quick, and I've already talked. All right, so open it up as usual. Excuse me, I had the flu like 2 weeks ago. I still got a cough from it. Of course, straps. Let's see what else we got. Paperwork and warranty stuff, always fun. Good old imaging Canon. Don't be stealing my QR code. And interestingly enough, it probably just fell out. But this is looks like the eyepiece right here. Open it up. Dun, 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 dun. Here's the body. It's so fresh and so clean. I know I'm lame. It's okay, y'all. So we're pulling this one out. Ooh. Alright, y'all, so first thing, compared to the 1DX Mark III, this is extremely lighter. This is really light. Actually, I'm not going to take the cap off the R5, but this is very comparable. Also, the battery's not in, but very comparable to my R5 with the grip. Ooh, that feels good. That's a good button. Yeah, that's a good button, good size. It's actually a little smaller also than the 1DX Mark III, but the bottom grip feels more familiar. The top, the landscape grip seems a little shorter than where the portrait or vertical grip is, but that's cool. Pop this out. Back again with the two. I really kind of wish they went with dual CFSB. Yeah, I think that's what it is. You know, the Type B cards. That's in the one. This is the same setup as the R5. I would have preferred if they just went with two. Hopefully that the 1DX Mark, I'm not 1DX, the R1 has the flip screen XYZ. Pretty nice size. I enjoy this. Feels good. Feels really good. It almost feels like if the R5 was a DSLR, this is what it would be. I don't know everything about this thing. What is this? Cause you know it's been out for a while. Okay, cool. There's a little cover for it. Oh yeah, it has that smart hot spot. It's not a hot spot. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Same thing, you know. All right, let's see what else is in the box. Okay, paper. Well, paper. It is paper. Cardboard paper. All right, so this is the cord. It looks like for the charger. The cord for the charger right here. And then here is the battery deal. This looks like the exact same thing as the R, and I believe so that the batteries for this are the exact same batteries that you'll find in the 1DX Mark III. So this big old block. And then we're looking for two more things. All right, I'm gonna throw the box away. We have the USB-C cable for connecting it to whatever you need to connect it to. And then we have the battery right here. Boom, boom. Charge that up. But that's looking good, looking nice. Alright, so once again, like I said, it was going to be the fastest video I ever did. Thank y'all so much. Appreciate everyone who has subscribed. I am going to have a quick series of videos, but I'm probably, just being honest with y'all, this year, I think I said this last year, but the more so finishing off this year, I'm trying to figure out what's a nice commitment of stuff. That's why I've been testing out a lot of things, X, Y, and Z. But the next thing is I want a different bag. So I think I'm going to attempt to try the Peter McKinnon bag. I think I might just turn this YouTube channel into I review YouTube channels, other YouTube channel stuff. That might be my niche. But I'm gonna try that bag and probably a couple others just to see like where I want to go. I do want something more comfortable. I've had the same bag for a while. It's the 450AW. I forget what the actual name of the brand is. But I've had it for a very long time now. It's time to switch up. I kind of want to be a little bit lighter, more organized, and just trying to perfect my transition. I still travel a lot, and you know, just stuffing everything in the bag kind of takes its toll after a while. So just looking for what's the best. I've got an iPad recently to kind of switch out from my computer. So I'm trying to figure out the situation. But I love y'all. I hope you're having a wonderful 2023. I'll be back. Make sure you like, subscribe, follow, all that jazz, and continue on the adventure. You have a great day.